Hey guys, welcome back. This is Shuri from Navigation Disk. So I'm going to show you the stock air filter and spark plug change process of Lifan KPR. So I visited Luxury Industries workshop located in Midport Thailand, and I bought the air filter which cost around 500 taka, and I got the spark plug. That's you'll see spark plug is they're providing right now. It's a LG, and hang on a second. Let me show you the spark plug installation, and the air filter process is pretty much straight. You can do it at home. I'm just going to things first. Remove your slips using the tools that comes with your KPR, and it's pretty much easy. Unhook those screws, and beneath the seat you will find the setup panel of the air filter. Somebody has already installed KNN and RMC, which is available in the bike store. Those are a bit costly, will cost you around 7,000 to 8,000 Bangladeshi taka, but I believe those will give you at least 1 to 2 HP or horsepower. Anyway, so since this is the only KPR in Bangladesh that's been used for 2.5 years, and it runs around 2,500 kilos, so I'm just using this KPR for testing purpose to see how things gonna work out, because I will buy the KPR series 2020 that yet released by the Lifan Corporation China. So even wrestling industry not gonna disclose this before that. So I'm waiting for Lifan KPR 2020 edition. Till then, this sort of analysis is going on, and day to day the performance and the fuel consumption is very much getting high. The consumption in terms was very low right now. After I changed the air filter and plug, I'm getting 47 plus per liter. So you guys need to stick with my channel, subscribe me, and stay updated. So because I'm going to show you the real-time experience of design it yourself, how you can take care of your Lifan KPR. This is straightforward step. As you know, in BD I didn't find any sort of tutorial that will help you to maintenance your vehicle. So I believe this sort of tutorial will help you. Some of you I have made on the road, and they said, wow Bhaiya, it's you. So thanks to them, because they recognized me. So to everyone, I will keep testing this Lifan KPR, and I will keep posted you about the update. And thanks to Lifan KPR workshop, they're really tremendous, and their support is really outstanding. How come the performance really over like Gixxer and FZS? Personally, I have used the Gixxer and Suzuki, but this is really amazing. Go ahead with KPR. Take care.